Just got a new package. It came via FedEx. So I haven't actually looked inside. Well, I will lie. I went like this and I realized you gotta move things to see exactly what it is. Obviously, I know what it is, but I haven't seen it in person. So I figured I would do the unboxing with you guys. So obviously, the box is Balenciaga. This would not be my first pair of Balenciagas, but it would be the first pair from this line. So this is the dust bag, and as you guys can see, it comes with one big one, green shoelaces. So I'm getting nervous because what I ordered is not green. I hope they didn't send them. No! This is not the right color. I ordered pink. What the fuck? And it looks so big. Oh my god. Oh my god. I did not order green. I did not order green. No. Let me check my email to make sure that I ordered what I think I ordered. Okay, so I ordered from Neiman, and I usually will go to my email and just type in thanks for your order. Okay, so I don't want you guys to see my personal business, but I did make a mistake. So this is what the sales page looked like on Neiman, and I got super excited because I really wanted the pink ones, and I just went ahead and ordered it. It actually stayed in my cart for like 3 weeks, so I had to make sure I really wanted them. And when I decided, oh, you know what, it's Virgo season, it's my birthday month, I deserve it, I can get myself this pair of shoes, I went ahead and ordered it. But you see what that color says? It says yellow. So I did not order. They didn't mess it up, I messed up. No. Okay, since they're here, I'm gonna go ahead and try them on. They're actually not ugly, but this is an expensive shoe. So if you want something like this, get exactly what you want. I got the pink because pink is my favorite color. But of course, this green is like a nice pop of fun color. But there are some Golden Goose sneakers that I really wanted. They have a hint of green to them, so I didn't think I needed 2 pair of green shoes. So if I keep these, then I would have to ex-nay on the Golden Goose sneakers, because if this is gonna be my like green pop of color for the winter time, then I don't need more than one. But it does come with 2 sets of shoelaces already in. So this was tied up, and then this set was tied up. So I guess it makes it super dramatic and chunky. And then it still came with 2 more sets of shoelaces, so that's pretty interesting. I did get a size 7. It says UK 4, European 37, USA 7. So with sandals, I usually will get a 38 because I don't like my shoes to look like they're too little. And then with tennis shoes, it just depends on the brand. I typically would get a 38, but because the shoe is so oversized and chunky, I went with the 37 because I was like, I don't want my foot to look extremely big, especially because I have small ankles. So this is the shoe. I'm gonna try it on with no socks. Okay, it actually fits really good and it looks really cute on. I cannot deny, forgive my ashiness, but I really do like it in the green. Do we like her? Do we not? It doesn't look too bad on my ankles. Forgive me because I'm ashy. But I kind of wanted to show you. They feel really good on. I really do like them, and I actually do like the green. I think I like the green more than I would have liked the pink. Going outside, and then which means that I'm probably gonna keep them. How do you think? Or not how do you think, how do you guys feel about them? Thumbnail. Okay, so I haven't decided if I'm going to keep the shoes yet. I really do like them in this color. Of course, like I said before, I thought I ordered pink, but I really did order green. Help me decide. Let me know. Follow me on Instagram. DM me right now and let me know, should I keep them or not. I'm in the middle of a DIY project in my kids' room. And as you guys can see, I still have decals on my hand. So since I already have your attention, I told you guys I was going to do an unboxing of some luxury goods. And maybe I can make this a 2-in-1. So you guys know. Yep. Say, hey, baby. Should we show them the new bag? Should we show them Cheeto Puffs? So I might be able to give her 3 more Cheeto Puffs and do like a quick 5-minute unboxing. Bribe your kids with Cheetos. Bribe them with Cheetos. But this here is the Prada bag. I did order this item on the website. Nowadays, when you order a luxury good online, they will give you a bag within your package. As you guys can see, I've worn her already. Okay, so before I go into the bag, these were the items that were in the box. It was shipped via UPS. This was really nice. They actually gave a already ready UPS like mailer. I don't know what you call these, but so that made it super convenient in case, you know, I wanted to return. I didn't have to like do the whole process myself. I literally would have stuck this on the box and dropped it off at UPS. Return instructions. So that's really cool. They give you a clear and very detailed you know, instructions on how to return. I believe these are just information on the bag. And then in this little envelope was the authenticity. I can't say that too fast. Authenticity, authenticity. Say that 3 times. Authenticity card. It kind of looks like a credit card, kind of, sort of. And this is the back. I'm not going to show you guys my serial number and stuff like that. These were the dust bags. The big bag came in this. The smaller piece came in this. And then there was a ribbon, a Prada ribbon on it. It just says Prada on it. I think this was on the actual bag. And then here she is. So if I'm not mistaken, this piece here, it was either this piece or this piece. I think it was this piece that was in here, and it just came ready to go. It comes with a hook, and I was able to hook it on. I honestly thought about using this as an AirPod, how do you say it, AirPod case. It zips open. It has your Prada Milano on there, and there also is like some monogram in there, or is that just design? Yeah, it's just like a design going on in there, but it's nice. It's kind of padded, so I think it will work cool as an AirPod case, but if I keep it attached to the bag, then maybe that wouldn't be a good idea. The strap does say Prada all over it. It's like in bows, if you guys can see, and I like the fact that it's adjustable. When I first got it, it was like as small as it can go, and I have big boobs, so that didn't work out. I let it out a lot. And this is the Prada Re-Edition 2005, so it does have like a little tag on it. This was already attached upon purchase, and I guess you can add stuff here. You can hang stuff here. I wouldn't, but that is an option. Okay, and so this is the chain. So pretty much it has double straps. It's 2 straps. So this one here is what you actually will put around, like if you want to wear a crossbody. If you want to wear it as a top handle or a shoulder, you would utilize this here. And I believe this is detachable. Yes, as you guys can see here with the silver hardware, they're both detachable. So you just kind of would push back here and slide it through. I'm not gonna do that. And then the bigger strap also can come off. So I prefer it to be gaudy, so I love to keep the silver chain strap on there. I love to keep the Prada Re-Edition tag on there. I love to keep this little small case on there, as well as the big strap. I like everything to be there, but if you're someone who wants to keep it a little bit more simple, you can definitely remove like these 2 pieces. This also will come off. It kind of is just like hooked on there where you can remove it, and you can remove this, and then you can also again remove this piece here. Oh, Cheeto hands! No, Cheeto! Cheeto, no! Let me see your hands. Cheeto hands. Okay, so I'm gonna sneak and give you guys another one of my purchases. I'm giving away all the goods, but I'm gonna go ahead. I've been itching to open this up. Here, this is the Toiletry 15. This is hard to find on the website. It usually says unavailable. I kept it in my wish list with a million other things, and as soon as I keep refreshing, one day it became available like a week ago. We're gonna see if it fits into the Prada bag. As of right now, this is what I've been carrying, and as you guys can see, as small as it is, it's definitely been working as a catch-all. So I'll try to kind of organize it and show you what I keep in it. So I'm a card holder kind of girl. I like my YSL card holder. This is my favorite. And then I have a mask in here. This is my Wolfer mask. I showed you guys this in, I think, the first vlog we did this week. So I have a Costco receipt, which needs to be in the trash. I have my chapstick of choice, which is the Bite Beauty, the kids chapstick, and a sanitizer.
Hey, Mom.
Say hi, Evie.
What up, girl? That's that baby chunk. That's that chunky baby. That's that chunky baby. What that chunky baby doing?
They came and sprayed. Pest control. Pest control came and sprayed right after you left.
Don't say thanks, because they don't have my card on file.
Swear. She just smiling. Kiss.
Girl, if ain't nobody told you, I'm going to tell you right now. You got a big old head.
Okay, so back to it, and yes, I do have my kids decal still on me, but I have 2 lip glosses, or actually 2 chapsticks in my bag. Typically this is the one that everyone uses, mainly the kids, and then I like this one. This is the Bite Beauty lip mask. And then I always have hand sanitizer these days in my bag. I prefer spray. I don't like the gel ones. If I run out, then of course I'll just do what I have to do. But the reason I like a spray one is because when I come out of a store, like, I'll spray down my hands, the kids' hands, everybody's hands. I kind of will spray like my keys. I kind of will like give my my wallet a little spray. I kind of will give, you know, my what do you call this, my mask a little spray. And of course this may not kill all the germs on everything, but like everything that I've touched that has to go back in the car with me outside of like my shopping bags, I'll kind of spray, not kind of spray, I'll spray heavily with this. And that kind of makes me feel better about, you know, everything that's going on, because I feel like any germs that may have blocked on my mask, I kind of want to spray them off. Like, if I did get some germs on my mask that I'm not supposed to have in my face and my body, I'll prefer to kill it. And of course I have my keys in here. As of right now, I like to carry this here. I am gonna change to the 6 ring. Is it called the 6 ring key holder? So here is the inside of the bag. This here is the Prada sign in here. It's like a metal, I'm not sure what material it is, but it's very hard, as you guys can see. Inside it has that same design all over. It's almost like a monogram, but it's not. Like here, this one part says Prada, but then here it's just the design. So it's like designs, Prada, designs, Prada. It's hard to see really on camera, but it's all throughout the entire bag, even on the opposite side. One thing I will say is this bag is a little bit smaller than I intended, but it's the perfect size because it literally fits all of my personal stuff in here. And it does not have like a pouch, or, you know, most purses will have like a slot that you can like sit stuff in. It does not have that. It's literally just a catch-all. So I'm gonna fill this up with all of my personal items, and that's the reason I got this. I wanted to be able to put all of my personal items in a bag like this. That way I can preserve you know, the quality of my bags, not getting any you know, anything in here, and kind of keeping it fresh and no dirt, no anything else. Okay guys, so this is the Toiletry 15 that I showed you guys. This is gonna be my very first time using this, so I'm just gonna open it up. And because it's my first time accessing it, it does still have everything in here. This is literally in every bag that I've ever gotten from Louis Vuitton. I usually don't keep it, but I'm gonna start. So I don't know if you guys can scan this and it will do anything, but this is the Toiletry 15, as I said before, and this is also that little sticker that comes in every bag. So let's see how much stuff we can fit. Always keep your cap on your sanitizer. We have 2 chopsticks, We have a mask. We have a card holder. And then we have this, but you know, right now lip gloss just isn't a thing right now, so I'm gonna go ahead and give that to my baby. And then of course we have our keys. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this inside and just see. Okay, so this is what it looks like when you put it inside. It definitely fits. That flap will stick out, so I'm gonna go ahead and tuck it downwards. Okay, so this is the setup, and I actually really do like it. I decided to put the sanitizer on the side so it stands up. That's perfect since this is a liquid. I don't want it to accidentally spray, even though I kept the lid on, and I don't want it to spill. So that's perfect that that'll stand up really nicely. I like the fact that the toiletry will help the bag overall to, you know, keep its shape, and you won't see anything like lumpy poking out. That way I can have my card holder in here, my keys in here, plenty of chapstick for the kids and I in here, and it can still zip and everyone is happy. I have everything I need and we're good to go. And this is what it looks like with it inside if I keep it closed. And then this is my phone and the phone case on. The phone case that I use is one of these little pocket socket. I don't know what they're called, but like when I type, I hold it like this so I don't drop it, but then I can push it back closed. Now I typically don't keep my phone in my bag. It's always in my hand, in my pocket, but you know, if I'm out and I just don't want to touch my phone and put it away, it definitely fits. Let's see if it'll zip. So the pocket socket thing on my phone will make it like stick out and not keep the shape perfectly. I'm 100% comfortable with that, considering I really don't keep my phone in my bag anyways. But it looks really, really good and everything I need fits. Now I do have 2 toddlers and an infant, so I do typically keep all of my personal goods in my own bag, and then I'll also carry a separate diaper bag. That way I can take everything that they need: snacks, water, iPad chargers, blankets, jackets, change of clothes, diapers, wipes. You know, I can keep everything in a bag from them. And instead of having like a catch-all like a never full with all my stuff in it, I'll wear my bag and then I can keep their stuff like in the car or on the stroller, or you know, whatever the case may be. So that's pretty much it. I know you guys already seen this bag, but I kind of wanted to share it with you guys. I love it. I think it's a reasonable price considering it is a luxury good. I like that this material is, I believe it's nylon, and you can easily wipe this off with just like a water and a rag, but be careful with that and, you know, putting products on it. It's definitely a beautiful bag, and I'm pretty sure I'll end up getting 1 or 2 other colors in it. Let me know if you have this bag or if you plan on getting this bag, what color you plan on getting. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more videos like this. As I mentioned to you guys, we do have the Louis Vuitton version of this bag ready to be unboxed. So if you guys want to see that, give me a thumbs up. Also, I'm in the market for another kids catch-all bag. I'm thinking of going with the Dior Book Tote as my new fall diaper bag. So if you're with that, also give me a thumbs up, and of course if I get it, I will share it with you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you're all being safe, wearing your mask, you know, using your hand sanitizer, and more importantly, just washing your hands and just social distancing as much as possible. We'll see you tomorrow in the next video. Smooches!